Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your real estate investments with Zillow step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Zillow.com. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Use the search bar to enter the location of your real estate investment. Browse through the property listings to get an overview of the market. Click on specific properties to view detailed information, including price history and trends. Utilize the Zestimate feature to assess the estimated market value of properties. Analyze the comparables section to see similar properties and their selling prices. Set up alerts for properties that meet your investment criteria. Monitor local market trends by exploring the Market Overview section. Check neighborhood data for information on schools, crime rates, and amenities. Take advantage of the Rental tab if you're considering rental properties. Research potential rental income by analyzing similar rental listings. Review property history to understand previous sale prices and any changes over time. Use the mortgage calculator tool to understand your financing options. Consult Zillow's resources on real estate investment strategies for further insights. Keep track of your findings in a spreadsheet for easier comparison. Regularly review and adjust your investment strategy based on market changes. Engage with local agents through Zillow to gain valuable insights. Stay updated with Zillow newsletters for market news and trends. Consider using Zillow to connect with other investors for networking opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.